Welcome to Bryan Talks. My name is Bryan Dunn, Bryan-Dunn. I'm 5 years old, and I'm gonna talk about microanimals and microorganisms. So let's start with microanimals. First is a tardigrade, also known as water bears. They could swim along in a little place called moss. They like to eat green algae and bacteria. Their body turns green because they're transparent. Scientists put them into hot oil springs and into tall mountains. Some live in space. When they go in space, they can float into the sunlight. Next is the mighty mite. It creeps along, is murdered by spiders and ticks. Mites have 8 legs. One mite called an eyelash mite they don't bite or sting. So when you find some mites in the ground, they could bite you on the lawn. The third is a nematode, also known as worms. They look like worms. When there's algae there, nematodes will be on the water. When you found some nematodes in the water, they love to swim. So the next is microorganisms. Let's start with bacteria. Bacteria it has a nickname called E. coli. E. coli is the scariest of them all. When you have sick bacteria, some bacteria are in your teeth. So when you found bacteria in your bread, if you eat it, you can get really sick. That's so nasty. You cannot eat it. That's not good. You cannot eat it. Next, some bacteria have nitrogen and eat other some more organisms. Next is fungi, also known as fungus. Fungus, when you found them in the ground, they could grow up. They could eat some bread, apples, dead animals, even they drink in your juice. Some fungus has grown by mushrooms. Mushrooms are a type of fungus. When you eat them, you could get sick. That's not good. The next one is protozoa. Protozoa means the name of little animal. When an organism gets eaten from protozoa, another protozoa can eat it. Sometimes when you throw protozoa away, it's moshed away. When your parents cleaned up the protozoa, they put it in the trash. Sometimes protozoa has annoying by a mosquito. When a mosquito is annoying, you can get bitten. Then the last one is algae. Algae has grown just like fungi, but not all algae didn't grow from the ground. that was the end of our episode.